Hi, I'm Dr. Arjnur from Dr. Arjnur's IELTS Institute. Today I'm going to start a series of the topic related vocabulary and some of the statement sample answers for writing task 2. So the first topic which I've chosen, that is on crime. Let's discuss first how many types of crimes are there. There are 5 types of crimes. The first crime is violent crime. Then second is cyber crime. Third is property crime. Fourth is petty crime. And fifth one is white collar crime. So whenever you are discussing any crime, obviously you have to state about criminals. And we often find short of word when we start speaking on the criminals. So we just have criminals, culprits, and after that we are off. So I'm giving you and number of the vocabulary words today, which could be replaced by the criminals. Let's start with this. First word is culprit. Second is offender, accused, lawbreaker, or law violator. Then crook, convict, sinner, thug, or robber. We can say stealer also, right? Thief, we can use jailbird. It's very interesting word. The person who is imprisoned, he's called jailbird. Obviously, after the crime, the person is given some sentence. For that, he's sent behind the bars. So this word is used at that place. Then evildoer or misdoer. Usually the criminals are involved in some misdeeds or evil deeds. So this word could be used for them. Then another word is malefactor, then immoralist. Immoral act means something evil or bad which is against the society. We are using this word at that time. Then corrupter. Who is corrupt? We can use this word at that place. Now, let's have the look on another words. So these are felon, brute, scoundrel, then devil, villain, gangster, hooligan, ruffian, no good, wretch, savage, find, wallet, catriff, then reprobate. So these words could be used in replacing the criminals or the culprits. So now I'm giving you some description about the statements which are often used or commonly asked in the writing task too. So now I'm going to start with the first statement. That is, without capital punishment, our lives are less secure and crimes of violence increase. Capital punishment is essential to control violence in the society. To what extent do you agree or disagree? I'm giving you another statement for this. By giving capital punishment to the culprits, society too is offender of killing somebody. Means if we are giving capital punishment to the culprits or the murderers who are responsible for killing someone, in that case we too are culprit or the society too is culprit of killing them because they were given capital punishment only due to us. Do you agree or disagree with this? See students, here you may go with 80 to 20 formula, that 80% in the favor of one and 20% in the favor of another one. So if I have to write this task, I'll definitely go in the favor of capital punishment. Reason behind, capital punishment is the only punishment which can bring or develop a fear in the minds of hardcore criminals. Now we know that crime is increasing at an alarming rate. And if these criminals are not given capital punishment, they won't be having any fear in their mind. And they will keep on killing the persons mercilessly for petty issues. As we can see that nowadays murders are done brutally without any cause. So without any type of the uh, cause which is done by the victim. So he's unnecessarily killed. The innocent people are unnecessarily killed. So here, if this capital punishment is there, obviously the criminals will be having some fear in their mind of their death, and they will think twice before committing any crime, and it will set an example in front of many other peoples. So we can talk about to kill one and 100. If one person is hanged or given capital punishment, it will be a good example in front of many other hardcore criminals who will not do such type of the crime by which their life will be put in danger. In this case, I strongly go in the favor of capital punishment. Yes, you may write in another form also, but here you have to start with that no one is a born criminal from the womb of the mother. These are the circumstances. These might be some type of the environment or some other causes which became responsible for making an innocent person to be a criminal. Here, if this person is given second chance of rehabilitation, he may become an important asset for the society, because we have many examples already in our society. I'm giving an example of Fulan Devi, who was a notorious dacoit, who was a dreadful evil, we could say, that she had killed many people earlier. But once she surrendered, after that, she became MP of the society, MP of the country, and served the country afterwards. So there are endless examples like this. So if these people are given some good atmosphere, good environment, good education, good reasons to live, they may serve our society. But the, I guess, examples would be very less. So in this case, for me, if I have to write, I'll say that the nature gives us the message, live and let others live. And the people who become threat for the lives of innocent people should not be excused. They should be given stern punishment so that other people should learn a lesson from them and do not follow their path. In this way, we can justify this task. See, students, you may write on the favor of anyone, but it's very, very important that you have to justify the task. And in the end, before the conclusion, you have to give your opinion. In the conclusion, you have to give the summary of both the things, but that should be crux and precise. Hope you like this video, and I'll be touching another topic in the next video. Stay connected, happy learning. See you with another video and with another topic and good vocabulary. Till then, bye bye, happy learning. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel right now so that you should get the latest updates on our channel whenever we are uploading any new video. Thanks, happy learning.